Okay, so hello everyone. Here we are today and we're working on a 14 by 14 inch canvas. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be flooding with titanium white by Amsterdam. And I'll show you the colors in a minute. So let's go ahead and begin. Let me get started with flooding the canvas. Okay. So I'm going to be showing you the colors we're starting today. And I am using Prussian blue Phthalo by Amsterdam. Deep, rich color. Okay. And I did put a lot of blue down. Next color I'm using Iridescent Silver by Pebeo. Okay. Next color is Pearl Sky Blue by Arteza. Okay. And last, I'm doing Pearl Cream by Arteza. And you can see I did put a lot of color down because it's only 4 colors. Okay. So those are my colors. Let's torch out the air bubbles. And we're gonna begin. I love it. And I love the minimal, the negative space. I love it. Love the color palette. I love the negative space up in here. I think I'm gonna open up some negative space in here. Yes. So I'm gonna open up a little bit of negative space right in here, just like that over there. just like that. There. Just like that. I love it. So I have the little bit of negative space in here, a little bit in here, and on the edges. So I love it. Let me torch out my bubbles. Love it. All right, so let me show you the wet results. So here she is, and look how gorgeous she turned out. And everywhere you see the dark spots, I went ahead and strategically added some of this Prussian blue phthalo by Amsterdam. So I strategically placed those darker spots to help this with contrast. And now I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna show you. Look how gorgeous this piece is. Absolutely stunning. I love the contrast, love the colors. I love the blowout. Check this out. How gorgeous is that? Tell me. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up. Share it. Comment. All that good stuff. I appreciate you very much and your support to my channel. Thank you for watching Fluid Arts by Elsa. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.